So I'm north of Flagstaff camping out, and I just wanted to show latest stuff and greatest here. I have the shower curtain here ready to go. I went to Cal Ranch and did some shopping. This is a magnet thing here for like picking up nails and such. And so I have that right now propping the pole there for the high end. And something else I found at Cal Ranch, I think it's so cool. And even though it's made in China, are these tiny little magnetic lights here, LED lights, and they're just, one of them's just bright enough and it's not too bright. And with my old truck here, I could put them anywhere. See, it's a magnet. I can put that like there. I can be like a Rolls-Royce ceiling here and have like a carton of them. So yeah, I could put this anywhere I want here. Like here, yeah, sure, why not? On this pole here. So now I can have that. I can have it on the tailgate there to shine down there. I can put it anywhere on this pickup because it's all steel. But don't worry, plastic people. They have these magnetic glue-on thing, and not magnetic, sorry, it's steel with the adhesive. And so you stick that on your car, and you could be cool like me.